Hi class, we just have a quick review presentation today. It's about the fundamentals of life, which we actually touched on when we were trying to describe how life was formed. So we're gonna look at it just one more time and make sure we remember everything that we need to. So we're gonna start by, again, all review, but our definition of life. So, which is our definition of life is the state characterized by the ability to get and use energy, respond, grow. Oh wait, get and use energy, reproduce, grow, and respond to change. So that's our definition of life. And more importantly, what we're learning today or reviewing today is what is needed for something to live. So as we talked about last time, or a while ago, I should say, everything needs four things to live. We need our shelter, our food, our water, and our space. So for humans, it looks very similar. We need our shelter, our food, our water, and then space. So I always, for whatever reason, think of survival situations where maybe I'm stranded out in the jungle and I have to find just these few things in order to stay alive. So something like shelter, I would probably want to make a roof or like a house looking thing. So maybe a tent looking lean-to with a roof. I'd probably want to be off the ground just so there aren't a lot of ants on me. I would need to find food of some kind, whether that's insects or maybe some fruit. Maybe there's some fruit in the jungle. And then also another important one is clean water. Clean water is very important when we are in our survival situations. And finally, a space. Of course, our space we've kind of been implying is the jungle, but we need some kind of space to be in. But again, more generally, for everything, we need a safe environment. We need some kind of material, energy, and of course, water. So for for different organisms, a safe environment looks very different. Some organisms have evolved, ha, have developed the trait to be able to live in very extreme environments, places that are very hot or very cold or very dark. So safe environments change from organism to organism, but we all need material, something to get our energy from. The form of energy, a lot of that is from the sun, and then good old water. So that is all I have for our four main uh, essential things of life. I have posted a kind of fun little game to kind of go through on the Google Classroom if you're interested. If not, that's okay. It's just was kind of a fun way to learn about this. And again, think more in a survival kind of sense. So I hope this was clear, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day.